we are going to do the fifth sum. Okay. Set A 1 2 3, B 2 3 5, C 3 4, then D 1 3 and 5. So check if A intersection C cross B intersection D equal to A cross B intersection C cross D is true. Find whether it is true or not. Okay. So last year itself we have done these things. No, A intersection C, B intersection D, then A cross B, C cross D. We know. First left hand side, A intersection C equal to what are the common elements of A and C? What is common? 3 is common. Therefore, A intersection C equal to 3. Then B intersection D. B and D, what are common? 3 and 5. Now A intersection C cross B intersection D. So we have to find the Cartesian product of A intersection C and B intersection D. What is A intersection C? 3, B intersection D 3, 5. So 3, 3, 3, 5. So this is 1, LHS is over. Then we can come to the right hand side, find A cross B. 1 2 1 3 1 5 2 2 then A cross B, next C cross D. Four 1 4 3 4 5. Then what we have to find? A cross B intersection C cross D. A cross B is this one, C cross D is this. Find the intersection of A cross B and C cross D. So intersection means what? Common elements. You have to pick out the common elements. What are common? See 1, 2, it's not here. 1, 3, not here. 1, 5, no. What is there? 3, 3 and 5, 3, 5. These two are only common. Therefore, what's the answer? A cross B intersection C cross D. Three, 3 and 3, 5. Okay. So this is what we have. RHS. So what is LHS? 3, 3 and 3, 5. So from 1 and 2. A intersection C cross B intersection D equal to A cross B intersection C cross D is proved. Okay, these two are same. Two are the same. Okay, do you understand? So the in exercise 1.1, seventh sum is there. No, see the seventh sum. Let A equal to set of all natural numbers less than 8. Natural number starts with 1. Yeah, said the set of all prime numbers less than 8. What are all the prime numbers less than 8? Tell me the prime numbers less than 8. 2, 3, 5 and 7. Okay. Then set of all even prime numbers. So the first sum is A intersection B cross C equal to A intersection C intersection B cross C. So you have to prove this. Okay, first you write the sets, then numbers you can write, and then can prove it like this. Okay, you know A intersection B, A union B, everything you know. Then cross also you know. With that you can verify everything. Okay, you can finish this exercise number 1.1 yourself. Okay, thank you.